Hello, so I have the January Planner Society box, so let's take a look. And I've been waiting on this one, so I'm pretty excited for it because I adore roses and pink is my favorite color, and I know and I really like coffee, so I know this kit was right up my alley. Alright, let's slide out the paper and we will start with it. I'm always scared I'm going to rip the paper or cut it, you know, trying to get it out to see. Alrighty. So the first sheet is the pink roses with the black. And on the back is a very pretty pink, like on wood pattern. And there's 2 sheets of that. Oh wow. The next one is this, and that is absolutely fabulous. And on the back is black and white polka dots. There are 2 sheets of that. And the vellum is rosy with gold foils. Gorgeous. And that's actually rose gold cross signs on it, and that is just beautiful. I love roses. Then here's a rose gold foiled vellum. Here is a rose gold polka dotted acetate. And then the last sheet of paper is this pattern, and then black and white on the back. I definitely will use the roses. The papers in this kit are just gorgeous. I am glad I kept my subscription. So that is the paper in this month's kit. And then we have the pin bag this month. It's got a rose button, and it's that lovely pattern. Open it up, it is zipper. Pink, plenty of room for your pencil, so whatever you want to carry in it. Here is this month's pen. It is a glitter pen with the rose pattern on the bottom and rose gold hardware. This month's washi tape is the rose gold roses with the little foiled crosses, plus signs on them. Very pretty. Alright, let me slide everything else out of the bag here and off my lap. So here are the notepads for this month. And you get the clips, rose gold, and the elastics to make your own like pen holders. So that's pretty. I like those. There are stamps for this month. Instagram. Oh, I like that a lot. Urgent, follow-up, goal, start, schedule, emails. Oh, I wish there was a YouTube one. Those would have been perfect in my social media planner. And this was what I was waiting on. This is a big like patch, and it is a coffee cup. And I believe they said it is a sticker. So I will decide if I'm going to stick it on something or make myself like a planner band or a giant clip out of it. So that is cool. And here is the bow charm this month. Very pretty. And then you get the tabs and the stickers. And then there are doilies this month. So we'll slide these open so we can look at them. I think there's 2 of each pattern. So there's the white, the polka dots. Oh, there's 3 of the white ones. Very pretty, very delicate on the edges. And then there's 3 with the rose pattern. Very pretty. I like doilies. Then here are the die cuts and the cards. And they also look like they're rose gold foil. So we'll look at the die cuts here. So you got a pretty dress, and these are kind of shiny and slick. A makeup vanity with the roses. A little portable closet with pretty dresses. Floral. A hanging lamp. A chaise lounge. More floral. Like a floral raincoat. Ooh, I love this one. Pink coffee cup with a checklist on it. Hairbrush set with florals. Another like a makeup setup on a cake tray. A pretty vanity. Ah, another coffee cup with florals. Oh, I've got to be able to make these into like little shaker clips. I'm going to have to do some work on these. Here is a hair comb with florals. A lovely floral chair. Some more florals. More florals. And then a bow. And here are the cards, and they are foiled. It says, "Hello, beautiful. Shine bright. Throw kindness around like confetti. She's fierce, fabulous, and loyal." And Planner Girl. So those are the cards for this month. Love them. This is just such a beautiful kit. I've gotten a lot of kits from the Planner Society, and I have to say, I think this one is going to be one of my favorites. I'm going to use this one, I swear. Of course, I say that, I think, to myself every month. And here are the stickers for this month. Matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to put this away with the other ones. I'm going to make myself use this one. So here are the stickers. A lot of coats and florals, and I just love pink. Some chaise lounge, florals, the like makeup trays, some check boxes, coffee cups. Love these. Not check boxes, but like quarter boxes. And then some more florals and the vanities. Oh, this is just simply stunning. I love this. So that is a look at the Planner Society for December. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.